Now this is the 2021 Coachman Laser 575 XL. Pound for pound, this might be the nicest caravan I've actually ever seen. I am completely blown away. I mean, to say this has got the wow factor is an understatement. The specification of it is stunning. The layout is stunning and functional. The bathroom is probably the nicest bathroom I've ever seen on a caravan and motorhome. Sensational. We've got it here, we've got it for sale. I'm going to do you a video tour today, walk you around you, talk around it, show you what it's all about. Let's check this out. So, it's a 4-berth. It's got a traverse island bed, which looks something a little bit like that. It's got a stunning front lounge area, which converts into a bed that looks like that. You've got this great centre kitchen with everything you need in it. But really, what just blows me away is this bathroom. I mean, look at that. It's just utter class from Coachman, this one. LEDs round the sink, everything. Great sized shower at the back. I'm going to come back to it. Let's start at the front and work our way through, talking and showing you what it's all about. So let's start with this front lounge. Now it's conventional caravan layout this. You've got the centre facing bunks with your cushions on each side. Of course, this will make a bed. To do that, as easy as pie. All you do is pull this out like so, and then pull your cushions on top of that as a base. And there you go, it's ready to go to sleep. You've got your Pioneer radio and speakers just in the corner up here. And of course, wireless phone charging. You've got your 3 centre windows, skylight up at the top, and on all the blinds, on all the windows, you've got your blinds and your fly screen. You've got the touch spotlight on every corner in here. These stunning and sculpted shaped storage lockers. That one's where you got your TV area, as a matter of fact, whilst we're here. And it's so elegantly designed with the colours, with that nice light grey with your dark anthracite grey corners and LED lighting right the way around. Coachman, fair play. For my review, I'm giving you 10 out of 10. You can pop a TV just in the corner up there and you are rocking and rolling. Now, in the bedroom, and it's exactly what this is. This isn't just a bed in the corner, it's an actual bedroom. You've got your wardrobes on each side. These little pouches to put your magazines and your bedtime reading. Overhead storage lockers. And now the bed, something a bit different here. You might think, well, what's that cushion all about at the back? Well, of course, you have it like this to get around, but if you lift the bed up and pull this forward, you can actually extend it flat, like so. And that's giving you a bigger bed and helping you utilise a more comfortable night's sleep. And then when you're ready for daytime mode, fold it over, push it back. You see this extends just here. Push that back in, and there you are. And as a matter of fact, underneath, you've even got storage in here as well, which is accessible from the outside. So it's just such a great use of a bedroom and the bedroom space. In the back, the star of the show is the bathroom. I mean, again, I know I keep saying it and saying it, but just look at that. It's so incredibly stunning. You've got this step-in shower, which is a huge space. Nice and comfortable. You've got the marble effects following through, stainless steel handles and multiple shelves. Of course, in the corner, you've got your heated towel radiator and swivel toilet. Not that you really need to, it's perfectly comfortable. And of course, for privacy, you've got your solid door that just goes right the way along. If you wanted to give some privacy from the bedroom to the lounge, you've got this curtain which comes along like so, nice and easy, and you've even got a corner vanity unit with the option to put a TV in there as well, so you can watch your television when it's bedtime. Let's talk kitchen now. So up overhead, you've got your Omni vent, integrated microwave. Again, stunning finished worktops, even your little laser badge just up at the corner. You've got this really nice finished sort of mottled white worktop with extendable kitchen worktop space. Pull this out to gain access to your extra large sink basin. Curved stainless steel kitchen tap. You've got 3 gas burners and an electric hot plate. Separate oven, separate grill. Storage galore throughout the kitchen. In fact, storage galore going right throughout the van, as a matter of fact. You've even got, check that out, these subtle lights underneath the kitchen basin. I mean, it just keeps going, this one. Opposite, you've got your Dometic fridge and freezer. And down in this little shelf, you've even got a table which can be pulled out and put on that front lounge. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Aldi heating, and then your control panel above the door. Multiple USB points throughout the full vehicle. You've even got a solar panel on the roof in this one. Motor mover, all fit as standard. It's a single axle, external barbecue point, multiple storage lockers on the front for your gas and storage, Alco and ATC. Awning rail right the way around, so you can fit an awning on this if you're using it more of a seasonal pitch, so to speak. Just a stunning, stunning Caravan. I'm very well impressed, as you can tell. It's here, we've got it, best price in the market, ready to go today.